Ready to learn 10 more common ASL signs? Let's get to it. The first ASL sign we'll start off with is the sign audience. To sign this, we'll first start off with the sign people. To do this, bring out both hands in front of the body and form the letter P's. And from here, you'll do alternating backward circular motion towards the body, just like this. Let me show you it from the side. Now for the second portion of the sign, we'll take both hands, extend out the fingers, and then flex them down like claws. And from here, you'll start a little bit lower and work your way up like an arc-like motion, just like this. Almost pretend as though you're looking at a stadium and the people going from the bottom on their way up, just like this. So we'll put that whole sign together just like this, people, and then we'll do the arc-like motions just like this. From the side, people, once again. That is how you sign audience. The sign aunt. And while we're here, let's do the sign uncle as well. To sign aunt, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter A. Bring that right over here towards the jaw. And from here, you'll do inward circular motion, and the thumb will slightly tap the angle of the jaw, just like this. Now for uncle, form the letter U and bring it right there towards the temple, and do those same circular motions, slightly tapping the temple of the forehead. Once again, aunt and uncle. That is how you sign aunt and uncle. The sign damage or destroy. The sign is simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body, but take the dominant hand, palm faces downward, and the non-dominant hand, palm is facing upward. Now you'll notice that the non-dominant hand on the level is slightly lower than the dominant hand. From here, you'll bring them right there on top of one another. When they get to being right on top of one another, you'll actually make a fist. And you'll pretend as though you're grabbing something and you're going to pull it apart, just like this. Let's do this again. From the side. One more time. That is how you sign damage or destroy. The sign divide. The sign is simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body, fingers together just like this. Take your dominant hand, place that on top of the non-dominant hand on a 90-degree angle just like this. And from here, you'll pretend as though you're dividing something. This is from the side. Front again. That is how you sign divide. The sign interact. To sign is simply take both hands, form the letter A's. From here, I take my dominant hand, bring that above just like this, and then they will circle one another, the thumbs, just like this, from the side. Now, if you're talking about a group of people or more than 2 or 3, what I normally do is I take all fingers and I bring them around just like this, from the side. Front again. That is how I sign interact. The sign language. To sign language, simply take both hands, form the letter L's. Now, take the palms of these and face them downwards. The thumbs will actually come together, and then as they go apart, they form a wave-like motion. Just like this. That is how you sign language. The sign measure. To sign measure, simply take both hands, form the letter Y's, and from here, the thumbs will tap twice. Once again. That is how you sign measure. The sign metal. To sign metal, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter X. From here, you'll bring that right up underneath the chin and go forward twice. From the side. Front again. That is how you sign metal. The sign O, debt or obligation. To sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body with the palm facing upward. With your dominant hand, extend out the index finger, and from here the index finger will tap the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this. From the side. Front again. That is how you sign owe, debt, or obligation. The sign proceed. To sign proceed, simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body like this, palms are facing one another. From here, flex the fingers, just like this. And your next movement, you will go forward, just like this. Let me show you that from the side. Front again. Now, the sign proceed can sometimes mean start. To sign start, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body just like this. Now, with the index of the dominant hand, place that in between the index finger and the middle finger, just like this. And from here, you will twist outward. Just like this. Once again. That is how you sign proceed or start. Now in this video, I've shown you 10 or more ASL signs. If you learned anything from this video, please do me the honor of hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.